Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is hausa TV. So today we want to find the derivative of sine inverse of x. So if y is equal to sine inverse of x, so find the dy dx of sine inverse of x. So okay, let's see. Don't forget to subscribe. This is hausa TV. So now we have y is equals to sine inverse of x. So if we take the sine to both sides, so we have sine y is equals to x. So now to get the derivative of both sides, to take the derivative of both sides, we have d dx of sine y is equals to dx of x. So here, using the implicit function, so we can now find the derivative of sine y with respect to x. So we have cos y, then we differentiate y, then dy dx is equals to 1. So from here we can now divide both sides by cos y. So divided by cos y over cos y. So this go with this, so we have dy dx is equals to 1 over cos y. So if you remember the identity, that if you have cos square y plus sine square y is equals to 1, so this is, you can now make cos square y solve of the formula. So we have cos square y is equals to 1 minus sine square y. I remember, if you have this, there's something as cos y all of it squared is equals to 1 minus sine also y all of it squared. So we can now take square root to both sides. So I have this go with this, so I have cos y is equals to root of 1 minus sine y squared. So if you remember, our sine y squared is x, if you recall. So we can now substitute. So we have cos y is equals to root of 1 minus x squared. And now, if you recall, we have this, let's call it as equation star. We can now substitute our cos y to equation star. So I have dy by dx is equals to 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. So this is the derivative of